Hi guys, thank you for joining me for part 3 of our video series. So as promised, now we're going to talk about how your practice will change and what you learn. So the first thing I want to say is that this course is really focused on the therapist who doesn't have a lot of time, who may not have access to like all the resources that they need, all the equipment that they need, and who needs to be teaching their patient from day one how to manage this swelling by themselves. So as a therapist who has worked and has been and is working in facilities where I don't have as much time as I would prefer with patients, and I may not have everything I need, everything I teach you here is modifiable to the constrained clinician. So, as much as we'd like to be in a perfect world, we have real life administrative things to deal with. So that is taken into consideration. So in this course, one of the first things that you're going to learn is how to talk to your patient, how to tell them what's going on, how to bust the myths that they might be holding. I'm also going to teach you about how to assess different kinds of edema. And yeah, there are a lot of different kinds, and it's really important to know the different kinds because it's going to inform your plan of care. It's going to tell you what to expect. It's going to show you what goals that you have to set. So we're going to look at the different types of edema, and by the end of the course, you'll be able to assess for the different kinds and know where to go next. You also are going to learn how to do manual drainage using your hands to stimulate the lymphatic system and to move the swelling out of there. You're going to learn how to use our handy dandy short stretch bandages and other off-the-shelf garments with your patient so that they can be set up, they can start taking their edema management into their own hands. So you learn all those skills. I have to say this course is really dynamic. It's manual and hands-on, and it comes with an absolute load of resources that you'll be taking home and taking into your clinic, including a whole bag of bandaging supplies, assessment tools, and if it's in a facility, we help you set up your own program. After all, it is inpatient rehab. Although these skills are generalizable to any setting, one of the things that we have developed in the last few years and what we have done is help you set up your own program by giving you demo resources, by giving you assessments, binders full of home exercise programs, full of referral resources that are local to your area. We really want to give you the whole thing so that you can start implementing this in your facility as soon as possible. So if you would like to know more about how to assess, manage, do some of these techniques, check out my videos on the topic. If you're interested in reading more about skin conditions, about why short stretch bandages, and a whole load of other edema related things, check out our blog. But most importantly, if you would like to come to this seminar, and I would love to see you there, check out arcseminars.net for the next upcoming courses, and I will link to them below. Hoping to see you at a